Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials, your valid scenic and the mobile number tied to it. Once done, open the Pack Identity app and grant camera plus storage access so uploads work. You tap Apply for ID and choose New or Update based on your record. Make sure the app shows your profile name correctly. Then follow the on-screen prompts to enter scenic number and basic details. Speak calmly to the camera, if prompted, and position your face in the guide frame for the selfie step. Now you handle the detailed uploads and verification. First, photograph scenic front and back. Use natural light and steady hands to avoid blur. Make sure corners are visible. Then attach supporting documents like proof of address or birth certificate in JPG, PNG, or PDF. Once you upload, the app runs OCR. Review and correct any misread fields so data matches your scenic exactly. After that, proceed to biometric verification. Finish by confirming the submission and saving your application ID. You'll receive status updates by SMS and email. If a fee applies, pay through the app's payment gateway or the designated channel listed. Keep the transaction receipt. Once approved, download your digital ID or await the physical card dispatch. If the application is rejected, don't panic. Read the rejection reason, edit the incorrect fields, and resubmit. If issues persist, visit the nearest facilitation center with original scenic and supporting documents for in-person resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.